Imagine this. You wake up, you check your phone, and while you were sleeping, your bank account got bigger.
That's the dream, right? Passive income. Money while you sleep.
You wake up, you check your phone, and while you were sleeping, your bank account got bigger. But what if I told you for most people, this dream is a trap? Not because passive income is fake, but because the way it's sold to you turns you into free labor.
This is Alex, age 27, normal job, normal pay, not rich, not poor.
I just trade time for money.
One night, Alex scrolls on their phone. A video pops up. 5 passive income ideas to make $10,000 a month while you sleep. You're wasting your life at a job. You could be making money 24/7. Just build assets once and watch the cash roll in. So I work a little now, and then money just keeps coming? I'm gonna build passive income. First, Alex researches. Videos, blogs, courses, everywhere the same message. Work smart, not hard. Set it and forget it. Money while you sleep.
To build it, Alex has to plan lessons, record videos, edit them, make a website, write sales pages, make thumbnails, post on social media.
This goes on for weeks, then months. Alex is working 2 jobs now, one for a salary, one for a dream. Alex is working 2 jobs now, one for a salary, one for a dream. But none for a salary job. Finally, launch day. Alex posts the course online, shares it on social media, waits. It's live. Yes, it works. I got a sale. But there's a catch. From that sale, the platform takes a cut. The payment company takes a fee. Ads cost money. What's left for Alex is much smaller than it looks. Almost everyone in the system makes money, whether Alex does or not. Alex isn't the only one. Millions of people are building assets for platforms that get paid, whether those people succeed or not. Months pass. Sales are slow. $20 here, $40 there. Why isn't this working? One day, Alex takes a break. No laptop, no phone, and asks, what does passive income really mean? Passive income is money that keeps coming in after the work is done, with very little extra work. Not no work, less work. Let's split it. On one side, the fantasy. Instant success, one course, no skills, no risk. On the other, Alex realizes they didn't fail. They just believed the fantasy version. Real wealth looks more like building a solid wall, one brick at a time. So Alex changes the plan. Instead of chasing every trend, they pick fewer things, but better things. Alex keeps the course, but stops thinking of it as easy money. Now it's a small business. Once Alex stops chasing magic, they finally start building real passive income. You do the work. They get paid today. You might get paid someday. At first, your time and effort weigh a lot more than your earnings. Most real wealth quietly walks through the boring door, not the flashy one. Pause for a minute after this video and ask yourself, what am I building that will still matter 5 years from now? The answer might surprise you. If you want more simple, honest breakdowns of money and the systems around it, hit subscribe and share this with that one friend who's about to buy their